Hello students, welcome once again in DSS YouTube online classes. This is Chaman Singh and we are going to read next topic, that is a closer look B. Bajji. Student, in this topic we will read the second portion of closer look. So listen very carefully. Student, in this topic I'll also tell you the difficult word meanings as well as its Hindi also. So let's start the topic. While Magdha became a powerful kingdom, Vajji, with its capital at Vaisali, Bihar, was under a different form of government known as Gana or Sangh. In a Gana or a Sangh, there were not one but many rulers, sometimes even when thousands of men ruled together. Each one was known as Raja. These Rajas performed rituals together. They also met in assemblies. The meaning of assemblies is a large group of people who come together for particular purpose. It's Hindi sabha, यानी सभाएं करना, and decided what had to be done and how through discussions and debate. The meaning of debate is a formal argument or discussions. The meaning of debate is वाद विवाद in Hindi या बहस करना. For example, if they were attacked by an enemy, they met to discuss what should be done to meet the threat. The meaning of threat is a trouble or danger. In Hindi, khatra. However, women, dasas and kamkaras could not participate in these assemblies. Both the Buddha and Mahavira, about whom you will read in chapter 7, belonged to Gana or Sangha. The meaning of belonged to is related to someone और समथिंग, यानी किसी से जुड़े होना या किसी से संबंध रखना. Some of the most vivid descriptions, the meaning of descriptions is given in detail, अर्थात विस्तार में दिया होना या विवरण होना. Of life in sanghas can be found in Buddhist books. Rajas of powerful kingdoms tried to conquer the Sangha. Nevertheless, the meaning of nevertheless is in spite of that. In Hindi, tathapi या ऐसा होने पर. This lasted for a very long time, till about 1500 years ago, when the last of the Ganas or Sanghas were conquered by the Gupta rulers, about whom you will read in chapter 11. Move to the next topic. This is an account of the Vajjis from the Digha Nikaya, a famous Buddhist book which contains some of the speeches of the Buddha. These were written down about 2300 years ago. The meaning of contains is to have something inside or as part of itself. In Hindi, शामिल होना या किसी चीज में सम्मिलित होना. अजातशत्रु एंड वज्जीज. Ajatshatu wanted to attack the Vajjis he sent his minister named Vasakara to the Buddha to get his advice on the matter. The Buddha asked whether the Vajis met frequently in full assemblies. The meaning of frequently is something that occurs often. In हिंदी किसी चीज का प्रायः या अक्सर होना या प्रायः होने वाला. In full assemblies, when he heard that they did, he replied that the Vajis would continue to prosper as long as. The meaning of prosper is rich and successful, अर्थात अमीर या संपन्न होना. They held full and frequent public assemblies. They met and acted together. They followed established rules. The meaning of established is to start or create an organization or a system, etc. किसी संगठन या संस्था का निर्माण करना या स्थापित करना. They respected, supported and listened to elders. Vaji women were not held by force or captured. Chaityas, local shrines. The meaning of shrines is a holy place like a temple, अर्थात मंदिर के समान एक पवित्र स्थान. Were maintained in both towns and villages. Wise saints who followed different beliefs were respected and allowed to enter and leave the country freely. The meaning of beliefs is a feeling that somebody or something is true, morally good or right, अर्थात किसी चीज पर विश्वास होना या भरोसा होना. In what ways was the Vajji Sangha different from the other Mahajanpadas? Try and list at least 3 differences. Student, this is the topic for today. I hope you have listened carefully and learned difficult word meanings. If you have any doubt, you can ask or comment on my WhatsApp number. Till stay safe, stay happy. Good luck.